Learn English phrases to ask for information from espressoenglish.net. Are you lost? Do you want to know which bus to take or what time the bank opens? Here are 5 English phrases you can use to ask somebody for the information you need. Number 1. Can you tell me? Or could you tell me? This is the most common way to ask for information. You could use can or could. Can is probably a little more informal. For example, could you tell me how to get to the train station? Number 2. Can anyone tell me? Or could anyone tell me? Use these phrases when you are addressing a group of people, not an individual. For example, can anyone tell me what time the bank opens? Number 3. Do you know? Use this phrase if you're not sure whether or not the person you're speaking to knows the answer. For example, do you know how long the movie is? Number 4. Do you have any idea? And do you happen to know? These phrases, like the previous one, are used if it's possible the other person doesn't know the answer. For example, do you have any idea why today's class was canceled? Number 5. I wonder if you could tell me. This phrase is the most indirect. For example, I wonder if you could tell me who I need to contact for information about job openings. Do you want to learn the phrases that native English speakers use in everyday life and improve your spoken English? Check out the Everyday English Speaking course, which will teach you what you need to know.